Hold the phone. Scammers are pulling off a wild stunt targeting iPhone 15 owners, and it's hotter than a summer day in the desert. Imagine this, you're eagerly waiting for your brand new iPhone 15, and out of the blue, you get a call claiming it's part of a massive recall due to overheating. Pump the brakes because it's a scam. In an epic showdown, the tech reporter at Mashable got the scam call of a lifetime. These tricksters pretended to be Verizon reps and insisted she send back her iPhone 15 pronto. Why? Because they claimed it was a ticking time bomb of heat ready to sizzle like a summer barbecue. But here's the twist. Apple had acknowledged a bit of sizzle in the iPhone 15, nothing that required a recall. It was just some tech tango with iOS 17 and background apps doing the Macarena. Apple's got an update on the way to cool things down. And it's not a recall, it's an upgrade. Now picture this. The scammers actually sent a FedEx truck to snatch the reporter's iPhone. Bold move, right? Luckily, she didn't fall for it. But who knew scammers had delivery trucks on speed dial? The takeaway? If a call feels fishy, don't take the bait. Hang up, call the real deal, in this case Verizon, and set the record straight. The iPhone 15 might be hot, but not in a recall way. Apple's got your back with an iOS 17 update. Accept it like a VIP invite to the coolest party in town. Stay savvy, techies, because these scammers are out here trying to outsmart even the slickest iPhone users. Keep your guard up, and let's turn the tables on these digital tricksters.